Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
Are you looking for a reliable way to keep an eye on the road while you drive? A dual mirror dash cam is an excellent choice. In this video, we'll explore the best front and rear mirror dash cams currently on the market, helping you decide which one is right for you. On number 1, we have Veement Mirror Dash Cam. For those seeking a dual camera system in a compact device, the Veement Mirror Dash Cam is a fantastic choice. You will have coverage of both the road in front of you and behind you thanks to the mirror's inbuilt front and rear cameras. This dash cam sports a wide-angle lens and records in 2160 quality to catch as much detail as possible. In addition, it has loop recording, which means that once the space on your SD card is full, the camera will begin recording over the oldest clips so you always have the most current ones. Additionally, the 12-inch touchscreen display of the Veement Mirror Dash Cam makes it simple to explore options and playback footage. It also has an integrated GPS system that lets you monitor your speed and location. All things looked at, the Veement Mirror Dash Cam is a fantastic choice for individuals who want the ease of a dual camera configuration without having to install numerous devices in their car. On number 2, we have Pelsee P10 Pro Dash Cam. The Pelsee P10 Pro Dash Cam is another standout mirror dash cam that deserves to be mentioned. It has a 10-inch IPS touchscreen display that offers a sharp image for the front and back cameras. Its capacity to record in 4K Ultra HD for the front camera and 1080p for the rear camera makes it one of the dash cam's unique features and one of the top video dash cams on the market. Also providing outstanding coverage are the front camera's 150-degree wide-angle lens and the back camera's 170-degree wide-angle lens. Additionally, the Pelsee P10 Pro Dash Cam has an inbuilt G sensor that locks the current clip automatically in the event of an accident, giving insurance companies ample proof. A nice feature for protecting your car while it is parked is that it also has GPS tracking and a parking monitor. When it senses movement, the parking monitor employs motion detection to begin recording. Furthermore, there is no need for professional help because the Pelsee P10 Pro Dash Cam can be quickly mounted to your current rearview mirror. On number 3, we have AMprime Mirror Dash Cam. Drivers who want a trustworthy and high-quality device for their car have a lot of options, and the AMprime Mirror Dash Cam is one of them. With front and back camera coverage on this dash cam, you are fully protected at all times. The rear camera only records in 1080p, while the front camera can record in 1080p HD. The AMprime Mirror Dash Cam's big 9.66-inch touchscreen display is one of its most notable features. When the dash cam is not in use, this screen serves as a regular rearview mirror and makes it simple to look at your footage and alter adjustments. The AMprime Mirror Dash Cam also has parking mode and loop recording. Parking mode makes sure that the dash cam is always on and filming even while the car is parked, while the loop recording function allows the device to replace previous footage when the memory card fills up. When there are sudden movements or collisions, the G-sensor technology detects them and automatically saves the video to prevent overwriting. On number 4, we have Wolfbox T10 Plus Dash Cam. For those seeking a mirror dash cam with front and rear coverage, the Wolfbox T10 Plus Dash Cam is an additional fantastic choice. This dash cam's sleek and small appearance allows it to fit in perfectly with the interior of your car. You can capture every detail of your drive with the front camera's 170-degree wide-angle lens and 1080p Full HD video. With a 140-degree wide-angle lens and 1080p Full HD recording abilities, the rear camera offers superb coverage of the area behind your car. The 10-inch touchscreen display on the T10 Plus makes it simple to use and view your footage. To make sure your car is kept safe round the clock, it also has functions like loop recording, G-sensor, and parking mode. The Wolfbox T10 Plus's ability to connect to Wi-Fi and access your footage via the companion app is one of its distinctive features. You are able to view, download, and share your videos thanks to this. So these are some of the best mirror dash cams to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe to my channel for future updates.